Hi everybody, Trevor here with Next Home Treasure Valley. Hope you're doing well. I am hosting an open house right now at a nice big Coleman home in the Fall Creek subdivision. Just wanted to give you a quick look inside. It's got both a living room and family room downstairs. Half bath back there and one bedroom on the main floor. Garage, laundry room in there. Pantries right there. Storage. There are 6 bedrooms in this home and 3 of them have their own bathrooms attached, which is nice. Another very cool feature about this home is its proximity to the community pool. That's it, and a common area and park right across the street there. Linen closet back there, bathroom, and a total of 5 bedrooms upstairs. It's on a corner lot, so there's no neighbors beside it. And at the moment, there is no neighbors on the other side either. It's just a vacant lot in there, but nice big walk-in closet and the master bath, walk-in shower, dual vanity. Anyway, nice place. I will be here until 5 o'clock. If you'd like to stop by and have a look around, feel free. I know we're expecting somewhere between 2 and 47 millimeters of snow sometime between last week and March, but that has not materialized, so I think you'd be safe to throw all caution to the wind and head on over and take a look if you'd like to. Feel free to give me a call or a text anytime as well. I can be reached at 208-907-5407. Thanks.